didn't even start the video. 6. It blows and scared. 6. We are doing it. All is well. We are doing so. A 6 to me. When we see me say, yo, better, we did a 6 that. 6. Nice to meet you, sir. Heart and love, man. I tell you, I say it to God. Yeah. Wait, I want something to drink. It is an honor to buy you a drink. You be general. We watch you a lot here. Yeah, man. Watch you a lot. You're full of fun. What's in the 6 massive? Big blows and scared. The massive. Hold on, we didn't even start the video. 6. Big blows and scared. 6. We are doing it at Jamaica Walk By. She blows and scared. Everything good? Touch it, man. All is well. We are doing so. Wait a minute, let me see what I go on there. Come in, man. Banners. Team president, blood clot general sick. One of you come round. Team. Banners. Jamaica Walk By, man. Yeah. What is that, sir? Yeah. Heart and love, man. Everything Irish. Yeah, but a 6 to me. When we see me say, yo, better, we did a 6 that. But respect. Yo, I think somebody I walk through this and go up in one place upside down. I come back out one part of so. Yeah, in the right space. Yeah. I found a place in up, young glass stepping in. You see me? On the Irish. Welcome. Yeah. 6. Nice to meet you, sir. Heart and love, man. I tell you, I say it to God. Yeah. Wait, I want something to drink. 6. Oh, yeah, where want to drink? Come here, man. Yeah, where want to drink? No, me can't drink from the work. Come here, go walk. Me can't drink. You go walk. 6, me can't drink a rub. Me save my life, you know. Hi, pretty girl. Oh, you run off there at the end. Why don't I always find some beautiful girl to run off them and play a song? 6, where you want to drink? Eh? Oh, rum? You can't drink rum? Rum and book. You can't drink rum? Yeah, man, I want my beer. I'll be buy you a drink. Can you have me general? Where you want to drink? It's a begin beer.
Beer one?
Man don't want that. Give me what you want.
Much beer 6.
Give me what you want. It is an honor to buy you a drink. You be general. We watch you a lot here. Yeah, man. Watch you a lot. You're full of vibe. Yeah, man. You're full of vibe, man. Yeah.
Sign up yet when Ghana in a collect.
Yeah. 6. They go over so go walk before night. If it's so, what am I put on this here? Touch it.
Yeah, there.
Ah, that love. Yeah, you really do it. Make him do your thing.
Yeah.
Good to see you, sir. I hear a place, boy. Ah, that love 1 6. Yeah, we are going to make a walk. You're still out there, you're still out there. So forward then. Yeah, I'm mad. Yeah. How much you have bread? Why Rasta? it's a honor for you always sneak if you don't see the sea, you know. Sometimes we drive out down here and can't find them, you know. We have to go back on the yard. Oh, ironic that a blue lagoon there for from, you know. And the general for you, so call me, say, go and walk through, and I say, since I request me, I go do it. So I try money up before night. So when we done, Water? Oh yeah. But I really, Captain Fox, me really go there to go chat with. No man, give him them change, make him go and Captain Fox. He run boat and so for Blue Lagoon. 20 now go on again, so and if me normally go there with and tour and showcase the place. Yeah. So I just link him and go down and go do it. But show all the stay now. Right. But my opinion, say me feel like I rather stay that way here when it's more organized. My opinion. Yeah. Like I wish it stay like this when we could get the youth facility nice and pretty. Yeah, my opinion still. Yeah, me like how it stay now.
I remember saying that wildlife also.
Place nice. Beautiful. Now go make a walk. Where are you now going?
No, we're there.
Alright, then I'm going to run on the forward back.
Alright.
Yeah, man. Every time. 6! You go what? Miss Hook up here.
Yeah,
Why that's a nice video?
I'm big here for you, I'm sorry here.
Yeah, what I'm saying, man. Yo, Rasta, we love me now. Yo, man. Miss Hook up, remember, I should never do this before night. There's been a left, yes, sir. Yeah, we love him so much. Yeah, so come. Yeah, massive. We can't even done. Yeah. So right now, see it there. Go in there. Man, thing. So we're gonna walk in there. So you know what I mean? Just a right space. So we're gonna walk the entire thing, go up, and go right back around the night town. 6 them there, so all a vibe of the whole crew. It's a good energy. But we don't want night come and we don't get to do ya so. Make you go walk massive. It's a great vibe, it's a great energy. You see me I say? No joke, no doubt. Yeah man. Oh my word, from me seeing me can't stop smiling. What a energy man. Yeah man, me rate the Yoko youth man. Oh gosh man, 1-6 bars. Yo, we say me have to circle back man and bless him up. But yeah, massive, we actually starting the walk in a right speed. Something, isn't it? Yeah, man. So yeah, you know, some want to talk about that place, you know. 40 Roti. Get your sign. Manners, Godfather. See it here? 40 Roti. Right here, so see them here park up inside of here, so. Right, that's how I can eat lunch today. Massive, when I tell you, say, the name stands for itself. The place name 40 Roti. The only name like its kind. So from your ear 40, you know say they're in a Portland. And from your ear Roti, you know say anything Roti related. Nice ambience, you can sit down and eat right out of so. You understand? As you can see, nice palm tree them. You have ample parking. As you see how me just park at one spot at one part there so. And an easy back. Whole heap of thing. Some tomato. G promised me 2 tomato so kind of make sure the forward feet. You can also have them. Manners, my brother. Everything good? Irie. So right here so now you can have the chair them as well if you want for the more like a outdoor settings. You can have that right here so. I don't know underneath the tent right over here, same speed. Inside the kitchen here you can eat inside there so too. Or you can just sit down right on the gazebo right here so and enjoy yourself. You can also get curry goat roti. You hear me I say listen, curry goat roti, that's what I had today. Curry goat roti. And it is shot, so you get a curry goat, now a nice bowl, like a calabash type of thing, and you get the roti them on the side. Sweet! You can get it, the goat boneless, also then the chicken too. Curry chicken, and you can get just the chicken boneless, and you can get it with the bone and all of them things there. You see me I say? No joke, you can get any one of your nice beverages as well, from your splash water, cran water, anything you can get it. But anything roti related, 40 Roti. You understand? So big up Uncle Mikey, big up Uncle Ran. You know what I mean? For make me know about the spot here and for come have lunch right here. So today, so me endorse and blast Porty Roti. So if you're forward down in a Portland, just look for Rice Peace Road right before you go into the town of Portland. Below Routes 21. So if you know Routes 21, it's right below. There's a lane before you reach Routes 21. If you go into Port Antonio via the east side, yeah, you can. The lane is before Routes 21. And you're good to go. As a sushi family did there a while ago. Right? So Porty Roti, me endorse and blast. May I tell you, shot. So tomorrow, I go there again. I may actually do one video for my TikTok and them things so people can see. So see it here, make a continue journey. Porty Roti. Sweet man. Finger licking man. May I tell you man. And you have a sign out us up on the front. Always. I can't miss it. See it there? You have the new shopping center down there. So I think which one of the high school that when name again man? Can't remember the high school. There's a high school right down there so you can comment in your comment section. Yeah man, but make a walk now. Yeah man. So big up to Jizzle them, all of them man they don't know for them place. All 6 family walking TV, all of them man them are blessings and respect man every time. You see me? Boy me I tell us say 6 have a vibe. Yeah man, I love the look of you man. Humble and nice, you know what I mean? Real video man. I tell you. So let's go. Blessed good afternoon. Chacha. So we're there in Portland doing some episode, walking through some place and some part and thing, which is beautiful. So big up to Uncle Ran and Uncle Mikey. You understand? Portland natives, isn't it? Yeah man. Man, as you know, say respect. Leave me to rest. Oh, no, listen, acapella song. I love acapella song, you know. Yeah, crusade there, right? That's all. Come on, yes, I got. Probably just forward out as a tonight too, crusade. We have over here so and cook shop. Good evening. So to everybody who just joined in the video, please I'm asking you to like the video. Right? Yeah man, let's go. So we are walk Rice Peace Road. Show some place I probably never get recorded before, to be honest with you. Some things like that me I do for that journey. I show some different side of Jamaica. You don't know me, it's Jamaica Walk By, so everywhere me I go walk. Let's go. And again, big up to 6. Place. Beautiful. So massive, big up all like Portland massive, me then on the place. Jamaica Walk By, let's walk. It's nice in the evening. Nice took an even stroll going into the night. Yeah. Can't do all the videos in the same way, so. I've been at it, I've been on it all day today. Like legit, all day today. I have been doing videos. So let's see how far we can walk into this one. Wow. Good afternoon, Grandma. Shop. Hillside shopping. That's deep. Let's go. Right on the hilltop for it. Nice. Alright, let's go. So we're upon Alls Avenue right now. Alls Avenue. Happy to see you, man. Good day, good afternoon. No food today? I'm vexed today till the morning. So they're right on a hilltop. Massive, so much things I do for my people them. Oh my word, I don't want to see Jamaica. Yeah, big up to the person who is sending the request for this one. And what's her name? Anytime I reach back at Kingston, I will be doing your request of Jonestown. You know you want to see a Jonestown. I try to cover as much as I can. I see me there Portland, you know. So, I'm doing it. And the place, nice hillside. Beautiful, beautiful. I hear me now, but I don't see him. Beautiful, beautiful. That means a whole heap of hard work people put in to make their house. Kudos to every single one of them. Even. Blessed, blessed. Man, I say. Yeah. I hit, man. Everything I yeah, I go through. I try to do them things for the people, them, I don't know. Yeah, man, I love you. No good, it's not easy. You know, see, me running a 6 bars out of front where I couldn't move. Me say, I couldn't move. Me say, man, I've been laughed till a week. Me don't know me love him so bad. Me always have to watch him, you can't see him and pass him, you know. But I do it. But it's a vibe down here. Me I try to capture that people them request to walk through Rice Peace Road and All Avenue. So, yeah. So me I do it go right back in the town and then me, yeah, we say keep on the right. Yeah. Same so then say. Respect, hear that? Heart I love every time. Feelings. Jaja know why. Yeah. I see him say so, I see him thinking person say. And somebody who used to live around here run up and down. So then they're foreigner now. Yeah, so they want to beg me to do that one. Yeah. That's a code, man. Respect, hear that? Man. You know, I want to tell you something. Just dropped one video yesterday. When we go back there and thing when I'm renovating, so I show a whole place this time, not just the treehouse. Yeah, man. Yeah. Yeah. It's a your style, lad. Yeah, man. I yet to find one nice one down if I talk to you, know? Look over. Good evening, manners. But I live good to the eye. I hit, man. Yo. Yeah, man. I know my style. A girl and stuff. From Portland, man. Man. Now look through yourself. Yeah. Up on the hill. Oh my word. Jamaica, nice, sweet. Yeah, man. Boy, I just stand up and talk with my subscribers and the people them for the whole time. And I tell them, it's a blessing, man. So we walk some place. So we're up on Rice Peace again, Rice Peace Road, and we're moving. I'm gonna see how Jamaica look, you know? Portland sun hot, you know, so you can't tell yourself say you want to walk in the sun. Look at man. Nice. Right on the hill with it. Look on the seaside town. I'm mad team. Let's go. Blessed, blessed. Respect in all aspects. Yeah, man. Jamaica. I want to see what I'm going. I want to look good. I want to see what I'm going. I want to see what I'm going. Oh my word, man. I want to look on Jamaica. Look on our country. Life there everywhere in Jamaica just a live. Almighty man. tune. Slow down and look on life. And come back home. Yeah, man. And you know, so I'm going to say this because I'm not going to believe it. You can't believe it. It's at 7 o'clock. 3 minutes after 7. In at the PM right now and look how the place bright in Portland. Not everybody realize it. I say later right now. In a Portland. And look how the place bright. This is incredible. 3 minutes after 7. And the place still clear. 3 minutes after 7. Place clear and nice. Wow. So my street that them barely come on. I think we're supposed to reach the hospital right now. To the hospital this. At the hospital this? You teach at the hospital this, oh? Oh. Yeah. Respect, see? Yeah. So this is like the back part of the hospital. But I drop you now. Can bust a wheelie? Are you new? You're new upon it, man. Bicycle are bigger than your man. Just know about that drop, please. Cause you know say that name chip up. So you ride the bicycle and have no seat. Hey, one wrong move, you know. No make no wrong move. Yeah. I'm a YouTuber. Tell him if he make one wrong move in Sarah, Jamaica Walk By. Big boy, I see you strong. You good? Man. I know if I learn to ride. You say I'm mad it up here now. Are you a bicyclist? You just get it. I'm mash up. Oh no. My name bad though. I barely bruise. You know, say once you have a bicycle you go drop off. Oh. And am I right? Yeah, you're good. I want to take you here, have fun, you see me? That is it, bro G. I own a future, you know. Yes, sir. Have to respect the youth. Hello, greetings. Warrior. Man, me just love them walking. Almighty. See the hospital here. Hospital right up on here. I look down from Portland town. Man. Hey, black. Manners, you know. Port Antonio Hospital, lower floor, block A. Understand? First time for me coming by the hospital. away that chat. Go down to the community, probably go back down on the near road. Yeah man, beautiful. Beautiful. Yo, man, I'm talking about the imagery look like some AI generated imagery. It just looks so real. Now this sound, them hear the sound. Honestly, I don't think them places will probably ever get recorded like this. Like where somebody just walk through and video them places. I highly doubt it. like something out of the movies. Look at this. Wow.
Oh, since they are looking at hills, this ain't man. Some people, this might seem like nothing, but to me, trust me, the beauty of doing this, exploring my own country, trust me, means the world, bro. You have some people who live in Jamaica, only know the place them where them grow up, like literally. If them never grew up there, them not know it, them not go, them not explore, nothing. They are 80 odd years, them do the same thing over and over again. And I enjoy the beauty of just life, just walking, looking from different culture, different things to do, different places. Like trust me, Carpenter style, that step and just do a step this and just gone up at the yard, way up on the hilltop up there, so just like that. Say to big up to them Jamaica man there with a thought a while ago. Randomly walking in a one place. Remember I know massive. You have to be a person who watch Jamaica Walk By really good. You just see me out in the street on a random day and recognize me. Because you know why? My face hardly ever show up on the channel. So from me a pass on the G say, who that walk by? Yeah, you know me. You have to know me good. And you have to watch the channel good. See, just see me randomly, not even know say me I go a pass through. And as you see me, you just know say I'm me. Yeah, really appreciate that, my brother. So if you watch this and you hear that, heart of love and respect. All I gentlemen them, the big man them I talked a while ago. Run on Rice Peace Road. Yes man. The place, man. Nice. Church is on here. So I'm just gonna keep straight. This road supposed to bring us up back into the town. So let me see how far I can keep walking. Pressure myself to walk too fast because I want to get the feel like you know walk with me and walk and talk a little bit as this road through. beach at Manners. Switch out, we forward out. Right tonight town on the main road. Boy, oh. Right tonight town with there. So, well, the main road not right tonight town, but I'll continue walk since we're there. Wow, what a walk. Right, my friend, you out here? You remember me? I mean, I give crocus bag them the other night. Yeah. So massive, this nice lady here, she sells right here. Me actually have film right now. I do one video, me I walk through town. So you don't know, so we forgot crab bush one night, me and Roger and Noel. And we forgot the crocus bag. And she will stop and beg 2 crocus bag and she give you, you know. No joke. So tonight me I endorse and blast her spot. So right now she sell all the sugar loaf pine them up there. So me see apple, banana, egg, papa. She sell almost everything like my mother. Oh my word, look there. Me see all dashing, sweet potato, carrot, ginger. But everything we sell at market have, man. Yeah man, love it. So see them, let me see which one. You can tell them which one they can see. Alright, see what that over there so? Blue. See plaza there? Right across on it today. So you can come and support her. You see me see her spot here, right there so. Oh my word. Let me find our next landmark. Alright. Right at Petals Variety. So right at Petals Supermarket today. So when you come to her and tell her, so we see up on Jamaica Walk By and a year so we are going to start by. One nice lady, you know, look on her. But one night I want to find out that we are, she just almost done pack up to go home. And she still give me 2 crocus bags. Hey, we catch crab, see man. Okay. And sleep all a bush and boil crab and say, nice. Oh my word, if we didn't get that crocus bag there from you, I don't know what I do. I'm if you tell you, big up yourself man and take it easy, yeah? Art I love every time.
Come back one day, I want one thing from you.
Then I won't even think this man. If this a business here, pop down here now. I don't want to see it when you say it a flourish. You have all purple onion. What you don't have? Eh? Look there. God is good all the time. Just go and sell off everybody. So yeah, they have to go pack up back everything and all because I have to do that every time?
Every time.
Jesus, please. What a walk. What a walk. So massive in a place. Support her. I'm looking for it. What's her name again? Miss P. Oh, Christine. Right, Christine Janelle. Big up yourself. Here? Take care. Touch it. That's a court, man. Yeah, man. Nice lady. reaching a Portland town one night and I realize we don't have a crocus bag them figure a crab push. And she we get 2 crocus bag from. You see me? And all me a give her the piece of money. See? The crocus bag them. She refused to take the money. Antonio, KFC, night time. Well, it's going in, as Noel would have said. Yeah, man. So I do one Port Antonio walk still well, late in the night when no car, you know, sit on the road like this, empty. But at least now at one time where people are walk and I go back and forth and thing. So we can see a nice go. Afternoon vibe. Beautiful.
I want to Starbucks.
Yeah. Nice. Port Antonio town.
My drink, come on.
Port Antonio, I go up on the closing, you know. Take time and lock up. So we just capture vibes massive. Antonio town. Big up to everybody who watch the entire video as we walk through Rice Peace Road and to all avenue, go up to the hospital side and come right back into the town. It's a beautiful walk. I enjoy this to the max. And I thank you all my viewers and subscribers for tuning in. Keep on supporting Jamaica Walk By as we bring to you quality content. Always an aspect. You understand? Yeah man. Art of Love. Signing on. Man.